This is a tree that's just outside my kitchen window. It's a silver birch, and as you can see the leaves are all turning golden colour because it's autumn here in Victoria and Australia. And the tree's looking really pretty, and it's a great place for all the little sparrows around here, which are just a common little bird, but I enjoy watching them out the window. And they sure enjoy coming and having breakfast each morning. I put some bird seed out each morning for them. And I reckon this is probably their favourite tree in the whole street. With the bird feeder. It's probably their favourite tree in the whole town. It's really fun watching them out the window. I enjoy it anyway. And the tree's looking particularly pretty at the moment, as the autumn trees do at this time of year. But the birds, as you can see, are really enjoying their breakfast. Having a great time there. Used to be just a couple of birds that had come, and I'm sure they've told all their friends now because there's heaps of them that turn up now. Good fun to watch them. What a great life, hey, they've got. As you can see, there's heaps of them there now. I'd say there's quite a few little fat birds out there with full tummies.